Hello, good afternoon, Mr. Adi Mustalin. My name is Poong. NIM 21104173331. Class N1. Business philosophy at the Gem Smoker Company. With a name like Smoker, it has to be got based on Smoker's recent success and growth in the jam jelly, fresh on marmalade industry. It will be hard for anyone to doubt that statement. The total jam and jelly sales for smokers is over $1 a year by fresh casing and them supersing jelly gains craft inch and what smokers now has a 37% share of the total jam and jelly market and is the leading manufacturer in the industry. The JM Smoker Company, based in Orville, Ohio, is a family-run operation in 1897. Jerome Manut Smoker decided to bring in extra income by making apple cider and apple water from old family raised on the same property where today modern factory now starts. Jerome carefully monitors the quality of his products personally, singing the paper deeds over a container of apple bitter. Not all of smokers that then fence around the country and the dedication to quality remains a key element of smoker business. Soon after Jerome began his business, other members of the smoker family became involved. They took most of their earnings and put them back into the company. In 1969, the Smucker family decided to take their company public. They retained 13 of the stock, selling 25% to institution and person funds and the rest to individual investor. Paul Smucker, the chief executive and grandson of the founder, and his son are not taking their number one position in the jam and jelly market for granted. They know the most fan of fragrance jam companies as well as variety of domestic competitors smokers. Must also respond to the next waves of health awareness and calorie conscious is the Australia, as well as Canada is in consumer tastes. Part of the smoker strategy for caffeine On top is the introduction of new products frequently. Smuckers has a number of successful new entries into the market. Simply with a fruit with no preservatives of artificial flavors and no extra sugar added. Has been well received. Smokers is also happy with the sales of its fresh baked strawberry prices available for only 5 weeks a year. The smokers pride themselves on innovating Alkins smokers sensing the coming of their ends was their first company in jam jelly industry to print information on individual products label. It was the first company to as reusable lids on its jar smokers event. Has a special innovation product innovation group that gets together to discuss India's all ideas to master how outgrows air and corrugates. All negative comment is in the meetings are prohibited. Quality, integrity, and customer relation make of the foundation of smokers company philosophy. Quality comes first, earnings and sales growth come after. Paul Smokers personally writes thank you notes to all new shareholders. He also suggests that they tell afraid to try smokers products. Smokers resources to focus on purchasing times during any television show that contains violences full-time federal government investors to monitor the entire jam and jelly manufacturing process. Because of this, Smuckers is the only company to carry the agricultural department's top Australia OS grades designation on all its products. Thank you.